you doing today, buddy?
Math games.
We're playing math games. I'm going to tell you guys all about the math games that I found on Beast Academy Playground. You're definitely going to want to add this to your homeschool arsenal of resources. So we'll see you in a sec. Before we get started, I just need to let you know this is a sponsored video. I have been compensated in exchange for my time and an honest review of Beast Academy Playground. Now, let's take a look at the website. I want to go through and show you how you can find the best games for your kids. So this is what you'll see when you go to the Beast Academy Playground website. At the top, there's going to be a little video to tell you all about the website. And then to select your game, you just scroll down. And you can keep scrolling and just see what looks interesting. You can filter. There's advanced filters. You can filter by age or activity types. And then we'll select Pig just to show you. My boys really love this game. Matthew used it to work on adding multiple numbers together, and it really helped him. It tells you a brief description of the game, gives you a video of how to play the game, and then below that there's instructions with written description and photos to go along with the game. Click on the For Teachers section so that you get the standards and classroom tips down at the bottom. I want you to see the materials. Super simple. A die, a paper, and a pencil. All the games on Beast Academy Playground are made with like common household items, so you don't have to go crazy trying to find all these items to play the game. Touch the goals. Common Core standards. If you're in a state that has you keep track of the standards that you teach in your homeschool, this will certainly come in handy. And then go down to the bottom. There's variations if you're playing with more than 2 players. Classroom tips. I love the discussion questions. That helps to extend the activity and encourages some critical thinking. And then at the bottom, not on this page, let's go back to the beginning. There's tons and tons of games, and they're always adding new ones. So if you go down to the bottom, you can put in your email address so you get notified when new videos are released, because they're always adding new games. So there you go. Check out Beast Academy website. It's super easy to do the games. It's a nice way to get the kids off of a computer screen, off of the tablets, off of the television, and into some hands-on interactive games that can really help them to improve on their math skills and then some. Now, we're going to take a look at some of the favorite games we played on Beast Academy Playground. The boys and I had a blast, and everything, like I said, was super easy to set up, and like we just had so much fun. 2. Plus 2.
A solid 4.
Yeah. 4.
4.
You gonna keep going, or are you stopping?
Stopping.
Stopping. 2 plus 2 plus 4 equals?
8.
8. I'm gonna make a dot here.
Can I do it? Ooh, can I do a dot where that dot is?
Yeah. Do a line.
Fine.
Okay, where do you want your dot to be?
I want my dot to be right over here. I'm helping you out a little bit.
Oh, okay. I hope you enjoyed my review of the Beast Academy Playground website and getting to see some of the experiences my boys and I got to have playing the games together. They had a blast. It was like they were just playing games and not practicing their math facts. They had no idea they were doing math. And that was kind of cool. And I liked that all the games are not on a screen. Everything is off screen and encourages hands-on interaction and critical thinking. And just, I didn't have to fight with a tablet or a TV screen or anything. And that was pretty cool. So check out the description. I have a blog article that I wrote about the Beast Academy Playground website, and I'm leaving the link for the Beast Academy Playground website. Click on that, save it to your browser so that you'll always have it handy when you need a fun game or just an activity to do with the kids that they'll enjoy, and they won't it's not like we're doing a worksheet, we're doing math. It's fun and it's interactive, and they're gonna love it. Go ahead and like this video if you thought it was cool, and leave a comment if you have any questions or just anything to say about the program. I would love to hear your thoughts. Go ahead and subscribe and click the notification button too, so you can always find out when that homeschool family posts some new videos for you to check out. Thanks so much for watching.